Today, I'll show you how to lock your Chime card. Whether you've misplaced it temporarily or you just want to ensure that your card is secure, locking your card is a simple and effective way to prevent unauthorized use. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll need to open the Chime app on your device. Once you've opened the app, go ahead and sign in with your credentials. Now, if you're new to using Chime, don't worry. Signing in is a straightforward process. Just enter your email and password and you'll be good to go. Once you're logged in, you'll see the home screen with various options. What you'll want to do next is tap on the settings icon. You can find this at the top left corner of your screen. It's usually represented by a small gear icon, making it easy to spot. After tapping on settings, you'll need to scroll down until you see the option labeled cards. It might be a little further down the list, so keep scrolling until you find it. Once you see cards, tap on it to proceed to the next step. Now, you'll be taken to a new screen where you'll see different options related to your card management. Look for the section that says Manage Physical Card. Tap on this option to access the specific settings for your physical Chime card. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see an option called Freeze Physical Card. This is the feature that allows you to lock your card. Simply turn the toggle to the on position. By doing this, you're effectively locking your card, which prevents any new transactions from being processed until you decide to unlock it again. And just like that, you've successfully locked your Chime card. It's a convenient and quick way to ensure your finances are safe, especially if you suspect any unauthorized activity or have misplaced your card. Remember, if you ever need to unlock your card, you can follow the same steps and turn the toggle back to the off position. This will reactivate your card, allowing you to use it as usual. Locking your Chime card is a great habit to adopt whenever you're unsure about its whereabouts or if you're worried about security. It gives you peace of mind knowing your finances are protected with just a few taps on your smartphone. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out through the comments section. Make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Stay safe and secure with your finances, and see you in the next video.